Hello, Hari this side. First of all, let me just thank you for sparing your time to attend this webinar. And in this particular webinar, I'm just going to clear and clarify some of the misconceptions that you can't trade alongside with your 9 to 5 job. As all of you know, that our stock market timing is 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And that is exactly what attracts individuals towards the commodities markets. So if we are trading stocks either in the National Stock Exchange or in the Bombay Stock Exchange, while when it comes to trading commodities such as gold, crude, nickel, all these things, we trade at MCX or the Multi Commodity Exchange of India. Now, many of you must be familiar with the equity trading. You must be trading in options, futures, but the number of people who trade in crude oil markets is comparatively lesser. And the irony is that crude oil is much more directional as compared to stocks and all. Like once it kind of takes up a trend, it tends to continue in the same direction for some good time, and that is exactly what attracts our community members to the crude oil markets as well. Now if you have been following us on our website or on any of the social media, you would have kind of got to know that a major chunk of our community members are pretty much actively trading more in the crude oil markets, and it is due to the very same reason that first of all crude oil, once it takes up a direction, it tends to continue in the same direction for some good time, meaning if it is moving up, it tends to continue up itself for some good time. If it is falling down, the trend remains to be down like for some good time, meaning there is going to be no fast entries, fast exits. You could actually stay in a trade maybe for 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, etc, depending on where you are capable of entering the trade. First of all, understand crude oil is a commodity, and we use crude for what? For our meeting our energy demands. Now, when we are trading maybe ICICI Bank or SBI India, or maybe let's say V-Guard, or let's say Reliance. Okay, so most of the stocks that we actually trade, we know that they are national brands, meaning they are the companies that is actually having a presence in India, and majority of these companies, they have their pricing supply demand based on the factors that is present inside our country, the business of the company as well, and the perceptions about the company of the public. But when it comes to a product like crude, something that you should notice, it is not just we Indians who are purchasing crude. Now, just because you saw that okay, the price of petrol is going up in your nearby petrol pump, it doesn't mean the crude oil prices has shot up. Now, if you see okay, price of petrol has dropped down a bit, doesn't mean crude oil has come down. Now, crude oil is something that is being used in all the countries, not just India, not just America, not just China, or not just the Middle East. Each and every country uses crude oil. Due to the very same reason, crude oil is a global commodity, and definitely the tensions that arise between countries, the global GDP. Okay, now the GDP of the like developed countries, developing countries, especially India, China, all these things have a big factor on the pricing of crude, because the supply and demand is global. So we can't actually measure just because that a particular country or just because a particular state. That way we can't actually measure the supply demand of crude, and we have to understand the fundamentals of crude first, meaning like what all are the factors that could create an increase in price of crude oil, and what all are the factors that create a decrease in the price of crude oil. Now, to make you more interested towards this particular topic, let me just tell you, if you are a person who is currently doing a 9 to 5 job, okay, now majority of our members are working employees, and they find a good comfort in the commodities markets. Why? Because they kind of get really good opportunities to trade in crude oil mostly till night 11 p.m. Okay, mostly till night 11 p.m. So I personally look out for opportunities till 11 p.m. Post that, usually I don't check out for any entries. Okay, so till 11 p.m. itself, you are getting a lot of opportunities. That is like once you reach back from your office, maybe by 7 or I guess by 8, you would be back. Still, you have time to trade in crude, and that is exactly the time when the international markets are the most active as well. So the international markets are the most active. That is definitely when crude oil gives a lot more moves, since it is a global commodity. It is not just what is happening in India, it is making an influence. It is whatever is happening around the world in the global markets. It has a direct role in the pricing of crude oil and the fluctuations present in it. Now, let's walk through the basic fundamentals you need to know before getting into crude oil.